Anybody, one by one, what we have done yesterday? Tell me. Anybody tell me what we have done yesterday? Because it's just for the recalling purpose, nothing for that.
Uh, Hello, Danish.
Yeah, tell me onward.
Uh, Yesterday we did calculation. The first one was basic of calculation. Then we did level of data expression, details expression. Then the last one was table calculation. Where on basic of calculation it was basically on formulas where we did the upper, the lower, trace, start with, and end with. Then we went to do a the number function. Then the last one was on ceiling and floor.
Okay. That's great. That's great to hear you, Onward. I'm very happy that you remember all of these concepts. So I'm again going to repeat very shortly within a 2 minutes. Satyam, you joined, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Pratap.
Okay, okay, okay. That's great to hear. That's why I'm only looking for that you as today you're joined or not.
Yes,
No, no.
Pratap.
Okay, that's great to hear you. I'm just recalling for the 5 minutes what we had done yesterday. We are done that calculations. What are the types of calculation? Basic calculation, LOD'S calculation, table calculation. And what we are done in a basic calculation, like string function, number function, again on the logical function, like cost is equal to sales minus profit, where we created the calculation is based on logical, like if sum of profit is less than zero, then profitable, else loss. We are use the logical functions. Again, we again use the logical functions to create the calculations. So we done the basic calculation yesterday. So today I'm going to cover the part of, okay, today I'm going to cover the part calculation part. Okay, just 1 second, someone is joining. Okay, that up some. Okay, so now we done from the yesterday year itself, and now we done the basic calculation. After the basic calculation, what is the second? Second is nothing but LOD's calculation. If you see here, LOD's calculation, types of calculation, basic calculation we done. Again, LODs, level of details of expression. Now today we are learning on LODs, totally working on LODs. Before going to LODs, right? You know, before going to the LOD, so I need to cover some of the, number functions and logical functions. Okay, let's go into the Tableau. So yesterday what we done, everybody's practice, right? Yes or no? Anybody something?
I did.
So what you done? Tell me. Mhm.
Yesterday,
Yeah, yesterday what you done? Practice that.
actually, what you taught,
Yeah,
like basic question, how
basic
to
calculations.
basic calculation. Sorry, scenario based question was.
Okay. So everybody should
like
remember and practice that calculation is the worst part, and calculation is a very tough part to recalling purpose. Okay, that's why every time I'm recalling what we had done yesterday.
yeah, how
Calculation
to
is a very tough part. Okay, now I'm going to explain about a lookup sales. So basically, what is the lookup sales? If you see here, what I mentioned, year, month, again sales. It is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August. Depending on sales are there. So basically, what is my requirement? I want to showcase now my requirement is I am looking for the previous month sales only. Means I want to showcase only previous month sales. How to create it that? So go for the Tableau, you know, after going to the Tableau, right? Somebody join, just 1 second. Control Shift B. So what is my requirement? So I want to showcase the previous month sales only. If you see, January sales are the 14,000, 2027. February sales is 4,520. But I want to showcase only previous month sales. Again, go here, create calculation, mention lookup, write lookup function. What is asking? Expression, right? What is our expression? Tell me. Our expression is nothing but sum of sales. And what is asking? Offset, right? So basically, what is the meaning of offset? Tell me. I'm looking for the previous month sale, right? What does that mean? Is that mean? Is that mean -1? -1 is nothing but previous month sale. If I put 0, it is current month. If I put 1, it is the next month sale. What I'm looking for? I'm looking for the previous month sale. Is that mean -1? So lookup what does that lookup what does? It just look up the values to the sum of sales which is previous month sales. Now calculation is valid. Click on apply. Click on OK. If you see, lookup February sale is showing that. Just 1 second. Go to sum of sales. Go to format. Number. Custom. I don't want to showcase decimals, right? Now if you see, February is showing the previous month sale. Again, March is showing the February sale. What is the February sale? 4,520 is showing March on that because as per my requirement, I want to look only previous month sales. If you see, I'm getting only previous month sales. Anybody can tell me what is the previous month sale of August?
33,946.
Okay. And what is the previous month sale of August 2017? August 2017.
45,264.
Okay. So now you understand right how to create the lookup function. So basically lookup is only look the values what you have written. So as per my calculation, if we edit this, I'm lookuping sum of sales and I want to look, previous month sale. Let's suppose, if you put 1, click on apply, click on OK. Then what is happening? Tell me. Anybody can answer me. Hello,
Uh,
what is happening?
Current month,
Uh,
I think it will be
That is
for
the
Correct.
current
Why
current
month.
current
month
month? Yeah,
sales.
I already tell that -1 is nothing but previous month sale.
Previous one,
0 is nothing but current month sale. 1 is nothing but next month
next
sale.
month sales.
Okay.
February 4,520 sale. But when I use lookup function, it's showing on January because I created lookup function. If you read this, suppose what if I mention 0? Click on apply, click on OK. What happening?
That is so the present month sales.
Now you understand, right? If suppose go to the lookup, edit, again mention 2. What happened? Tell me.
Next 2 months sales that show.
Ah, right,
Yeah,
perfect.
2 months in the
Again,
future.
go to here, edit. What if -2?
Previous 2 months sale.
Previous.
Now you understand what
Yes, sir.
happening, how I fulfilling my requirement.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we are going to the next part. So now we're done with the lookup function. Now we are going with the window function. So, now we're done with the, next month sale, again, previous month sale, how to check that? Okay, Dinesh, that is the really good. What about, my requirement is current month sale, again, previous month sale, it should be added. It should be look both. What is my past month sale? Again, addition with the current month sale. Because I want to showcase past month sale plus current month sale. Okay, it will happen with Windows sum function. Go to calculation. So one more important, if you're going to create a calculation field, right? You know, you can choose here only. Okay, 1 second, one was that. So if you're going to create a calculation, right? You can go here as well, or else you can go for analysis. So there's a lot of plenty options are there. We can choose, create calculation field. Click on that. So what is this? Tell me. Anybody's observed? Anybody's observed what is this?
Functions. Right.
Where is the functions where we can check that number function,
Has
string
some
function.
functions.
In that
This the
string
data type.
function, what we are learn? We are learn, you know,
Upper
upper limit, upper lower, again
starts with,
starts
ends
with,
with,
ends with,
replace.
again, yeah, again we go with the logical function. What we are learn? We are learn if function, again, end function, if null function. So here you can check that, what kind of functions are there, like number function. In that number function, what we are learn? We learn floor. Again, we learn,
Sealer,
um,
sealer.
after the floor, ceiling, right? Okay, where is it? Ceiling, right? If you see ceiling, we learn ceiling. So make sure this is the one window is there where you can check how many number of functions are there. If we keen observer, everything here only. What is ZN function? Is nothing but null function. Is remove the null values. So every function is there. Okay, come to the part. So we are going to create window sum function. Okay, right window. Here is an option window, average, window count. But what we need window sum. And in this window sum is asking for expression. What is our expression? Anybody can tell me?
Sum of sales.
Great, great. Sum of sales. Okay. And what is the start and end? As per I already mentioned that -1 is previous month sale, 0 is current month, 1 is the next month. 2 is nothing but next 2 month sales. What I want, go to the requirement. I want previous month sale, current month sale. Is that me?
So
Minus
negative
1,
one, minus one,
-1 and 0.
and zero, and
correct,
zero. Yeah.
0. Now the calculation is valid. Click on apply calculation. Click on OK. Drag here. Again, change into discrete. If you see, just go here, go to format, go to numbers, custom. We don't want to showcase a decimal, write 0, automatic, done, remove. If you see, go to my calculator, where is my calculator? I open that. Now, 14,237 plus 4520. Is that showing correctly or wrong? Anybody can please tell me? It is 14,237 plus 4520. January month sale is that mean previous month sale.
It's correct.
Again, February means current month sale. Is adding both, then it is value of 18,757. Again, remove this. Guys, you're understanding or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir,
Understood.
understanding.
55,691 plus 4520.
20.
62,211.
83,986.
Is that value is correct or wrong? Anything can please intimate me. Hey Dinesh, this value is showing wrong. Then please inform me.
It's
Correct.
correct.
Because why it's showing correct? As per my requirement, I want previous month sale plus current month sale. Is that showing correctly?
Yes, it's showing correctly.
Okay.
Yes.
And suppose go to the window sum. Where is window sum? Here is a window sum. Again, edit. Suppose here I remove the, I remove 1, -1, mention 0, then 1. What happened?
Current plus
Current
next month.
month and next month.
Current month sale plus.
Next month.
Okay, that's great. Let's check that, right? Go to apply, click on OK. Go to my calculator. Okay, what now? Hmm, is that showing correctly, right? 14,237 plus 4520.
Yes, it's correct.
18,757, 18,757. Again, 4520. Again, 55691, 55691. 60,211. Again, go for next. 55691 plus 28
295.
295. Is that showing correctly?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now you tell me, what if I'm go with the Windows sum, rename, sorry, erase this, I put -1, again 0, again 1. What happened? Is calculation error, right? Because we can put only 2. Again, suppose here only, if we put, 1, again 2, what happened?
Present, present,
What
sorry.
listen?
Next month plus next 2 month.
Is that correct, everyone? Let's
Yes.
go to
Yes.
apply. Go to OK. Is the value showing correctly? Anybody can tell me, hey, Dinesh, this is the value showing correctly or not? Yeah. What I done? Go to my Windows sum function. Go to edit. One is what is the one meaning? Tell me. Anybody can tell me what is the meaning of one?
Next month.
Okay. And what is the meaning of second?
Next 2 months.
month.
Okay, that's great. Now go to the calculator. Now you guys tell me how calculation part is been done. Which amount I need to take? How is going to calculate this amount?
4520
value for
plus the
February.
so it's February plus March.
February plus March.
So it's
Double
452
five 691 plus 4520.
4520.
Is that correct? Perfect. I thought, nobody's answered, but somebody's answering. Perfect. Now you understand, right, how it works, Windows sum function. Now we're done with the Windows sum. Going to the next part.
So
Yeah.
so there are Windows average, average, the other functions like average and count and
Yeah,
I'm
I
assuming.
I'll try, which is the main functions are there. I will try to cover. Meanwhile,
Okay. No, I was just asking
meanwhile,
if they
yeah.
already
Meanwhile,
exist.
what you
Okay.
do now,
Mhm.
because if I'm trying to cover everything, right, it will take
Mhm.
another 2 months.
No, I was just asking if
No
they
worry,
are a part of the.
I will try to cover the everything. Just
Mhm.
try yourself. If you're
Mhm.
not done anything, I'm there, right?
Mhm. Okay.
So now we're done with the lookup function. We're done with the window function. Go to the LOD's calculation. Okay, is the second LOD calculation, right?
Mhm.
So now we learned that, right? So in that LOD's calculation, there are three types of LODs: fixed LOD, include LOD, exclude LOD. So anybody can tell me what is LOD? Simple meaning, simple answer.
Level
Level
of
of detail.
detail.
Yeah. Guys, please respond properly, right? Guys,
Level
please
Level
level
don't
of
of,
try
detail.
to.
level of
Yeah.
detail.
Level of details expression. If somebody's
Right.
asked what is LOD, you don't call me, sir, sir, I learn LOD. Then don't tell us LOD. Tell us I learn level of details expression, where three types of calculations are there in the LODs. One is fixed LOD, second is include, third is exclude. This is the way we need to answer it in an interview. If somebody's asked that, what type of calculations are there, anybody can please answer me.
Fixed, include, and exclude.
That's great. And what type of LOD's calculations are there? I just, you know, I just tell 1 month, 1 minute before. What are the types of LODs? Tell me.
Fixed, include
Fixed,
and exclude.
include, and exclude.
Okay, it is a fixed LOD, include LOD,
Include and
exclude LOD.
exclude.
And there was a interview questions are there. So if you're okay with that, I will ask you.
Mhm.
So, in the interview questions, I already informed that, one question is that filters. They will ask you what kind of filters we have in Tableau. Anybody can answer?
Extract filters, data source
Bias,
filters, context
diversity,
filters, dimension
and
filters, measure filters, table calculations.
Okay, that's great. What you done? What you tell? Table?
Table calculation.
No, no, no. I haven't asked the calculation about this. I asked that what kind of filters we have in Tableau.
Data source filter,
Data source
context filter,
filter, context
Everybody is
filter.
wrong. Everybody is wrong. I first of all, tell an answer proper way. Tell like
Yeah, extract,
there
extract.
are total 6 kind of filters. And tell sequence wise. Anybody go with sequence wise? Tell me. I want sequence. Follow sequence, which I already informed me.
Yeah. Extract filters. First one. Extract
Okay.
filters.
Second.
Data source filters.
Okay. Third.
Context filters.
Okay. Fourth.
Dimension filters.
Okay. Fifth.
Measure filters.
Okay. Last, not least.
Last, like
Last is
table
nothing
calculation.
but quick filter.
Sir. Quick
Okay,
filters. Okay.
that's great. Just for the recalling purpose. Now
Hello, Danish.
the same way they will ask you what type of calculations. You need to tell that there are the total 3 types of calculation. One is a basic calculation, and second is level of details of expression calculation, and third is what?
Table calculations.
That's great. Guys, please be interactive where are getting an interest to learn new. If you're not interacting, right, it's kind of we're going to the second class or third class. It not be my not may not be interested, right, to me tell teach everything. So we are
Hello,
done types
Danish.
of calculation. Now I'm going to the basic scenario wise running sum. Now first of all, in that fixed LOD, now in that fixed LOD, what is my requirement? My requirement is I want to showcase added every month sale at end of December. Okay. Now my requirement is I want to showcase added every month sale at the end of December. What is our expression of sales?
Sum of sales.
Now you guys tell me what makes me difference in the window sum, running sum. Tell me anybody can tell. What is the make difference in a window sum and running sum? Yeah, tell me. Okay, I will tell you. Window sum, it works like A plus B, again B plus C, again C plus D. Now going to the running sum, right? Now how running sum it works? First A, then A plus B, then A plus B plus C. Does that mean January plus February plus
Yes,
okay
March.
January, then January plus February plus March, then January plus February plus March plus April. It added continuous. If you go here, January plus February plus March plus April, it showing the full calculations. Go to here, it's showing correctly, right? Go to running sum. First, go with the format. Now, is it showing correctly or not? 14,237. Is that correct? Go for the calculator. Now, is adding every month sale or not? We'll check that. 14,000. Let's okay. Okay, here only. That's fine. 14,237 plus 4520. Okay, it is 18,757. After again adding 55,000, then it's showing 74,448. Again adding 28,000. 28,000. Okay, 28,295. 1,02,743. Is that mean is adding every month sale? January, January plus February, January, February plus March. Again, January, February, March, April, 1,02,743 is adding every month. Like one, like an example, one. After one plus after one plus two, and adding two, again three plus four, again adding seven, seven plus five is like that. If you go to here, I explain that A, A means January, A plus B means January plus February is continuously adding like that. If you go to the table, right, it continuously adding, right? It's saying like that. So what happened? Running sum is calculating the, if you understand, right, what is the makes difference in the running sum and window sum?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So what is makes difference to me in the go for the window sum or running sum? What window sum is doing or what we can add, and running sum is automatically adding everything. If you go here, is adding everything. Running sum.
Windows sum is aggregating two.
Yeah, sum is adding. But
two
at the
periods,
same time, window sum is not working. If we go that window sum, what we do is just add January plus February, again February plus March.
Yeah.
So now we understand that what is the makes difference in that window sum and running sum. So lookup function is nothing new. It's just lookup means look the values. Window function is just adding the two values, either previous month sale, current month sale, the current month sale, next month sale, or the next month sale, and again next month sale. But running sum is adding continuously. That makes me difference. Okay. Now going to the next LOD's calculation of extra LOD. Now again there is a new requirement is come. So what is my requirement? I will tell you. So this is kind of difficulties. I will tell you. So first of all, I will go with the Tableau. I will add the sheet. I will ask you one by one. Anybody can answer, please let me know. What is showing? Tell me. What is showing? Anybody can please respond, guys.
Sales by category. Sales by category.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. Sales by category. What if I add subcategory? Then what happened?
And it's
Yeah.
sales by category and
Category
subcategories.
wise, that is subcategory wise sales.
What if I add segment? Then now,
That is particular segment wise sales.
what if I want showcase the values category by sales? Remain subcategory segment is remain same. It's showcasing like that, but values is looking for right. I want to look for the category by sales. It is happen. We can try to do this. It will, possible or not. I want category by sales, but subcategory segment is remain same. It will showing it showcase same, but values should be showcase category by sales. Understand,
You,
right?
you, you want to see the sales for furniture, the total sales for
Yeah,
furniture.
but I want
Oh,
to
I see what
showcase
you
the
mean.
values by related to the category.
Okay, I see what you mean.
If I go here for your understanding, category sales. Now, what is my requirement? I want to showcase 7,42,000 for furniture. But values, this values I don't want to reflect. I want to reflect 7,42,000 for furniture because I want to showcase category by sales, not by subcategory, not by segment. Is it possible? Can anybody help me to create this? Hello, everyone, please inform me. Please, something could tell that, okay? Why you are, not telling anything, don't be kind. Speak something, right? Is it possible? Hey, Dinesh, it is possible or not? Dinesh, let's try to do this. Some kind of encouragement, yeah. Okay, I will tell you. Go with the calculation field. After going with the calculation field, I tell the requirement. Now go with the fixed LOD. Now go here, mention fixed. Now it's very important whenever you're working on LODs, right? You should write curly bracket for fixed LOD. It's very important. Now write fixed. Now what I want to fix, which category I want to fix, tell me.
Furniture.
The category dimension.
It's
Now
furniture.
mention category. Now we fix the category. Okay.
Okay.
Now we've done the fixing the category. Now what I want to showcase, anybody can please tell me.
Sum of
I want to
sales.
showcase sum of sales with category, right? Then write sum of
Yes,
sales.
yes, yes.
Am I right or wrong? Anything?
You're right, you're right.
Now what we are doing, we fixing the category by sum of sales. Click on apply, click on OK, paste it. Again discrete. Again go to the format. Again number, custom, remove the decimal, automatic, and remove the page. Now, what is the furniture value? Tell me.
742,000.
7 lakhs
7,42,000.
42,000.
Is that showing same?
Yes.
Yes.
Is that showing same or wrong something?
It's showing
Same.
the same.
It's
Same.
the
Same.
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 Subcategory remains same, segment remains same, but values are showing by category. Category by sales. Anybody can try this? Anybody? Nervous, Lucian, lovely. Share your skin and try to do with me.
I'll try.
Yeah, right now I can help you, don't worry. Now what I done, tell me, I'm fixing the category by sum of cells. With the help of what I use fix LOD. Okay. With the help of using fix LOD, I fix the category by sum of cells. Anybody can try to do this. Sibani, can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir, I can share. But actually, I missed the session, right? So that's why I'm not
Don't worry,
much
don't worry. I
confident.
can help you. I don't worry about this. Yeah?
I was watching only the sessions. Okay, I'm just
Don't
saying.
worry, don't worry. I am help you. Don't worry about this. Just share your screen. I can help you with that.
Okay.
Don't worry about anything. Okay. Because we are trying to be more interactive session and trying to be work on all everything. Okay. Because people are not responding anything. Bhumika, are you
Yeah,
there? No. Bhumika, are you there? You done with that? James, Kanchana, are you done with that? Nervous, onward. Satyam.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Now going with that. Okay, that's great. Then add segment. Then sales into the text. Text, 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 text. Don't value text, text, text.
yeah, I'm just removing.
Okay, remove that. No, again add into the text. Don't confuse yourself.
Yeah,
Now create a calculation field.
I think here only there is a calculated field. Yeah.
Now mention fixed LOD.
And then, sir, please help me with that because I'm not sure regarding this. I missed two sessions.
Don't worry, don't worry. I definitely help you. What is the formula? Anybody can tell me? What is the formula?
Curly
Open the
brackets. Curly
curly.
Curly
brackets.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Open
First
open and
write
close
curly
curly
bracket.
brackets.
First write curly bracket.
Yeah, sure. Just a second.
Why are you worrying, Subhani? I'm here. Don't worry.
No, unable to find that curly bracket actually in the keyboard.
Curly bracket is easy. Why are you worrying about this?
Yeah, I got.
No, no write curly bracket. In that. Don't write here. In that, come down, then
Acha,
write.
sir. Okay, got it.
Don't write. Don't. That is not formula error, right? That is a only name itself. That is not formula area. Come down and write curly
It's
bracket.
not going actually.
Why is not going? Come
I
down, right?
just mentioned shift enter also it is not going down. Normal enter also it's not going down.
Okay, remove this again. Again, create one more calculation.
Okay,
Now it's working, right?
I'm just
Okay.
creating one.
Create one more time calculation. Write a name and come down.
No, it's
Meanwhile,
not.
yeah. Now come down.
It's not going actually. Only enter. I'm just pressing only enter. Shift enter also I clicked. It's not going.
Okay. Okay. I will share my screen. Don't worry. Now, if you go here, create a calculation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, after the creating calculation, just click on here. Whatever you
Acha,
want to
sir,
write,
below
you want to
below
write.
area, right? You are telling.
Yeah, below itself.
Acha, got it. Okay.
A space of this is the space is nothing but formula, and this is nothing but creating calculation name. Okay,
Acha, we need to give the
calculation number.
name,
Now
then
we'll
the formula we need to write in the below area.
yeah.
Okay.
Then now what
Okay,
I'm
okay, I got.
teaching. Now what I'm teaching now. Almost 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Where you are focusing? Huh?
No, actually, I was working. Actually, I'm listening and working.
Hey Baba. Guys,
Actually,
don't do it like that. Everybody meanwhile practicing. And I want to ask everyone, okay. Kanchana, are you done?
yeah.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Now,
I'm trying.
keep in trying. I will ask you, don't worry. Now,
Yeah.
curly bracket, add one more curly bracket.
Okay.
Exit curly bracket. Same, don't add same curly bracket.
No, no. I need to give the curly bracket in the starting, right?
Hey Bhagwan.
No. Sorry. Could you please
Okay,
repeat that?
okay. Where you focusing? I don't know what happening. What is happening. I don't know what I'm telling from the. I'm putting my all efforts, but nobody is considering. Nobody
No,
is
no, no,
looking
no.
at my
No,
efforts.
no, no.
Okay,
I
I
was
will.
looking
Okay,
actually.
now what you done? Tell me. This is nothing but curly brackets. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what do you want to fix? You want to fix value, right? Right fix.
Okay.
Then what do you want to fix? I want to fix category. Mention category. Then I've, but you want to fix the category, right? With the help of sum of sales or sum of profit, I want category by sum of sales. Sum of sales. The calculation is valid. Simple.
No need to give space, right? Directly we can.
This is a curly brackets is very important. After giving the curly bracket, right fix, then category, then this again dot, again sum of sales, then perfect. I will again put it a chart. Better you can easily work on that. Now I shared this formula. You can copy and paste into the calculation.
No, no, no. Here it is. I just mentioned some of the sales, but here getting some error message, right?
Share your screen, right? I will stop my sharing. Just share your screen.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And guys, please meanwhile do the calculations. I will ask everyone because why calculation is a very toughest part and why hello, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, remove this everything. Okay, now put on dots,
Here.
not mul two dots, not like that. I was said, you know, I
Put
said
a
this one.
colon. Put a colon.
Okay.
No,
Oh, it's a
not a
column,
comma.
right?
Colon. Yeah. Not a comma. Colon. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. That's a semicolon.
Okay, what you do now? I will share it in the chat box, copy paste it, just itself. Don't do anything.
Okay.
Or else, I will tell again. Okay, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
I think where you focusing, I don't know.
No, no, no.
You're just
Actually,
wasting
today
my
is
time
Monday.
itself.
No, today is
You're just
Monday.
wasting my time itself. Now
No.
again, okay, don't worry, just forget. Now curly bracket, start, end, done perfectly. This is first step. Second, right fix. Then after fixing, what I want to fix? I want to fix category. Right category. Then ABC category, click on that. Again, put doubts. After clicking the fixed category, what you want to fix in the category by sum of sales, right? Or sum of profit. I want fixing the category by sum of sales, right? Sum of, if you see function of sum of, click on that. Then write sales. Done. Calculation is valid. If you see, are you there?
So anybody can share their screen so that will be better today's class. Maybe I can't do.
Okay, don't share. No, share your screen. I'll definitely help you. Don't worry. It is very simple.
I already said, I think. Okay, I'm
Where you
copying it.
shared? I haven't
Yeah.
shared. Now, one second. What you done the mistake?
Any bracket?
Mm. Now, what is calculation? Just click on that.
Calculation.
No,
Edit.
it is a red color. It's showing the calculation contains error, right? Click on that.
Logical name fixed.
Extra. Okay. No, rename it that. No,
Already.
first rename that. Mention only fixed. Remove LOD. Okay, now the calculation is valid. Click on apply, click on OK. Now just drag into the row. Drag and paste into the row. Drag into the row and change. Right click. What is showing?
Filter. So filter.
Okay, right, come down. Okay, it is on continuous. You need to change discrete. Okay, okay, let's wait. Don't. Okay, it is on continuous. Change discrete. Click on that.
Discrete is
Yeah. Now again, it is showing numbers, right? Okay, right click, format. Go to format. Now numbers,
numbers. Very good.
numbers. Where is numbers is there? Come
Got
down. Click on that. Go to the number custom. Again, remove decimal and write 0. Again, negative values should be automatic. Okay, cancel this. Now values are be showing with the help of category by sales, not by the segment. If you see that, right? Okay, now you've done perfectly. Now I'm going to the next. Now you've done perfect, right? Now I understand how it works on fixed LOD.
Sure. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, okay, that's great to hear. Now I sharing my screen. Now we're done with the fixed LOD. Now this is nothing but last purchase rate, and this is same with the fixed LOD. And everybody, is very important because there is a lot of business insights are there, meaningful insights are there, which I'm telling now. This is a fixed LOD latest purchase rate. Now go with the customer name first. Now go with the customer name and go with the order date. Where is order date? Now this order date should be exact date. Now this exact date should be changed, right? What is this continuous? I want to change in discrete. Now should looking big now. Now just drag sales into the text. Again, click on highest to the lowest. Now again, just drag the product name here. Now what is happening? The customer Aaron Bergman is purchased, latest purchase date is 2016. He purchased 3 times and he purchased Samsung Conway. Latest purchase date is 10/11/2016. He purchased Samsung Conway 222, where we can getting the details, the customer, how many times he purchased and when he purchased and what kind of products he purchased. So in that requirement, what is the latest purchase date for Aaron Bergman? Anybody can tell me? What is the
10
latest
November
purchase?
2016.
Okay, and what is the latest purchase date Aaron Hawkins?
27/12, 2015. No, 23, 2016.
Okay.
18
This
December 2017.
Okay, that's great. That's perfect. This is the latest purchase date. Okay. If you go to the order date, it is going to the highest to the lowest. If you see again, what is the latest purchase date Aaron Smelling?
Yeah.
4/9/2017.
Okay. It is 310.
So you're telling according to the date, right? What is the latest
Yeah,
purchase?
according to the date. 310.
There is a 4 month also there, right? April.
Yeah, 4th April is there. But this is a month, right? Date, month, again, year.
So I just searched the US. Oh God. Oh no, this is so confusing. Actually, I'm working every time I work on a US side only. That's why I get
now
confused.
now I don't want to create this confusion. Now I want to showcase at the directly to itself, in the front itself. Go here. So what I want here, tell me. I want to know latest purchase date of each customer. So go to the create in the calculation. Again, fixed. You can mention latest purchase date. What I'm doing, I want to know for the each customer the latest purchase date. Okay. Now curly bracket first is very important. Again, mention fix. Now anybody can tell me what I want to the fix. Okay, admit what I want to fix that. I want to be fixed itself.
Or the date.
The customer name.
First, mention customer name. Okay.
Okay.
Then what in that customer name, what I want. I want latest purchase date. Right? Right or wrong?
Right.
Yes.
Right.
So when I'm fixing the customer name, mention MAX. What is the meaning of max? What is the meaning
Maximum
of max?
sales.
Maximum is that mean it used to make highest purchase date. Okay, order date. Then calculation is valid. If I go here, fixing the customer name, what I want to be fixed? I want to fix it customer name. Okay, after the fixing the customer name, you can mention, maximum order date. Maximum is nothing but latest purchase date. I'm asking to the Tableau, hey Tableau, can you fix the customer name? In that customer name, can you please help me to choose out, latest purchase date? Latest is nothing but maximum. In that maximum, which is the latest date, in that date column, right? I want to know the maximum for the each customer. So this is the formula. Click on apply, click on OK. Again, drag. You can showcase it. Now, just right click. Is a discrete, right? Now everything is same. Go with exact date. It takes time. Give me 1 minute. Because I want exact date, right? It takes time. Give me 1 minute. Now change into the continuous to discrete. Now, if you see, there's the latest purchase date for the Aaron Bergman. It is the right. Can anybody please tell me?
Yes, it's correct.
Again, go here. When I'm come down, Adam, right? Adam hat. His latest purchase date is 26th November 2017. If you see,
Yes.
previously you are struggling, right, Sivani?
Yeah.
Now you struggle. You did.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's easy, right? If you
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
come down again, I can easily choose align ends. It is the latest purchase date, 5th of November. When I'm come down, you know, so everyone is latest purchase is 2017 itself, right? Now, if you see some of customers are there, right? Some of customers. Okay, that's great. So every customer name is, his latest purchase date is 11 December only. Normally, if you go with that, this customer, right, is on the, on June 2016 28. This customer, I can target that. Why is not purchasing? I can call these customers. Hey, hi, hi Valerie, why you haven't purchased in almost 1 year? What is the reason that? And why you haven't purchased any product almost 1 year? I can easily target. If you see,
Yes.
because
Yes, sir.
almost 1 year, if this customer is haven't purchased anything.
Hmm.
Yes.
This is the way we can find business insights, guys. If you go with come down, you know, now we can choose the customers, which customer you want to target that. Now, if you go with, Vivin, right? Vivin Mathis, we can ask this customer that after November, sorry, after
September.
September, why you haven't purchased anything? Again, for the Vivek, we can ask that, hey, hi Vivek, this side, from the XYZ company. You are the regular customer for this company, and you have you purchase almost, on May 2017 23rd. After May, you haven't done any purchase, and may I know what is the reason and why, if you any facing any problems to purchase the products, or you want to be exclusive offer, you want discount, any want type, we can target the customer basis on dates as well. Okay. Suppose Sibani, in that list, you also there, then I can target as well, you as well. Hey, hi Sibani, you haven't purchased any makeup products as of now.
Yeah.
So this is the way we can target the customers. Now I fulfilling my requirement or not? Anybody can please tell me.
Yeah, it's done.
So what is happening? Ladies purchase rate. Now if we come down, right? Now again, I can, whichever the customer is, suppose this customer, right? After June, you know, Donatella is purchased Kingston 6 outlet for Guardian. So we can call the customer AI Donatella, this one from the XYZ company, and we have a latest offers from the different products, and you haven't purchased almost 6 months. So is a good offer for you. You can go with the products. So then definitely trying to get more leads, right?
Yeah.
Because I putting the data in a such systematic way where I can easily understanding that.
Yes.
Anybody can try to do this.
Well, I completed it, but I can share my screen.
Yeah, you can share your screen. Now you're understanding, right, how to create business meaningful insights. Tableau is nothing but what? We need to create a meaningful insights where, getting beneficial for the business. If we go to anywhere, it's very important to showcase meaningful insights in the chart or dashboard or in the report itself. So now you've done perfectly. There is a no need to tell everything. You've
Okay.
done perfectly, Lucien. Now you're understanding, right? How things are going to work on data and how you will get the meaningful insights from the business data.
Theoretically, you could grab the first order date and calculate the
Yeah.
difference between the first time they ordered and the last time
Difference
they
will be,
ordered.
and suppose now this customer, right? Suppose we'll go with the someone customer Aaron Bergman is purchased 2016 and haven't purchased 17 itself, almost haven't purchased for the 1 year itself. We can
Mhm.
target this customer
Mhm. Yeah,
and we can give to the offers to the customers to purchase more products.
incentives to buy. Yeah,
Yeah. Now you
understood.
understand what is the business techniques, right?
Yes, yes, understood.
Great, great, great. Now we are going to the next part. Next part is nothing but, it is the include LOD. Before going to start include LOD, I want to giving, everyone, can anybody, showcase me what is the average sales per region? Anybody? It is very easy question. What is the average sales per region? If you see, before going to start include LOD, I want to know this answer. What is the average sales per region? Anybody can showcase to me? Anybody at least try to do this? Okay, don't worry, I will help you. So what is the question? What is the average sales per region, right? Go, okay, sales here. And where is the region? Region,
I can
okay.
show you I did.
You done this. Can you please showcase
Yeah.
that? I want, okay, okay, okay. Now you done perfectly.
Yes.
That's great. Perfect. The answer is you can
Okay.
showcase it. But we can showcase, as in chart as well. If you, I will have share my screen. If you
Okay.
go here, you know, click on the label, standard to the entire view. Now, what I want to showcase, I want to showcase average sales per region. Go here, measure to change average. Now you're getting an average. That's fine. Get an answer. This is the west region. If you see average sales per region, this is the average sales for the west region. This is the east region. This is the central region. Now, going to the second question. What is the average sale per customer per region? Anybody can, but condition is that I don't want to be add, customer either column, either row. Condition is very simple. What is the average sale per customer per region? But the condition is I don't want to be add customer name either into the row or column. How to showcase that? Any idea? Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. Yeah. So now I want to showcase average sale per customer per region without adding customer name, column, either row. Is possible? Yes, it is possible. Go to create calculation field and mention average customers. And what we requirement that we requirement average sale per customer per region, right? Curly bracket. Now what we want, tell me. Go to
What
the
is
include.
custom? Oh, include.
After what do you want to be include? Anybody can tell me. We want to include customers.
Customer and region.
Customer name. Okay, then we Dinesh, okay, understand. I include customer name. But what you want to be showcased? I want to showcase, average sale per customer per region. Then I want to showcase sale, sum of sales. Okay, the calculation is valid. Click on apply, click on OK. This average, you can paste here. Now, what we want? We want average, right? Or else you can do like that. Just drag average customer, put it here, go measure, go for average. If you see, I'm getting the answer. This is nothing but average number of customers for the South region is how much? 765.1. Average customer by Central region is 796. Let's cross check. Okay, customer name. Before dragging the customer name, right? I want to drag region. Then drag customer name. Okay, then now click on sales into the text. Now go to the analysis, go to the total, add subtotal. Now add average. If you see, come here for a central region, how many customers has been done? We will check that. Total is 797, right? If you go to the, sum of sales, go to format, here, custom. Okay, mention automatic. Now is 796.9 for central. 796.9 for central. If you see, is that mean I'm getting the right answer for the average sale per customer per region is nothing but for central region 796.9. Again, cross check 796.9. Am I correct or wrong?
You are correct.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay. So with the help of include LOD, right? Without adding the customer name itself, I created calculation and I created average customers for the per region. If you go here, we can take an average for the each and every person. Go for the Sanias only is 46.4. Again, go for the Aaron Bergman is 576.6. These are average sale for per customers. And we can target that for the what is the average sale. Suppose highest sale for the Alex Avila, right? We can target that for the average because the average sales very high, right? We can give more discount for these customers. Again, if you go here, come down. Again, Mike Hernandez is 2656 is a really good number of sales. We can target these customers as well. So with the help of these numbers, right, is really getting good leads for that. Okay. Now understand that how the include eludate works. If you go here, no. So this formula you should be understand. I'm pasting into the chat. I'm pasting into the chat box. You can collect that and you can practice itself. Okay. So today's session will go into the wind up the meeting. Any doubts?
Sorry, Dinesh, I wanted to.
Yeah, tell me.
I wanted to ask on the formula.
Yeah. The formula is nothing. Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me.
I noticed you then changed the sum to average. Can't we, like, in the formula, input average
Okay.
instead of sum?
First of all, share your screen. I will tell you. How do you change the sum to the average? I will tell you. It's very easy.
Okay.
Because we are getting we have options for the measures. We can choose minimum, maximum, count, disconnect. Now, okay. Now, how do you change for the average sale? Tell me. Right click.
Measures, then sum or average. It's
Correct.
it's
Now
average.
correct.
No.
Now we want now create a calculation field. Go create a calculation field. Now mention as average customers or customers average, mention like that name, and after the mentioning, then give curly brackets. Why using fix? We want include, right? Now we are learning include. Don't confuse yourself. Okay, now you include. First of all, I will ask you what you want to be include. I want to include customers.
Customer name.
Customer name. Right, customer name. Then dots. Then I included customer name, and we want to compare with customer by sales, right? Just sum of sales.
Yes.
We can change the sum of sales into the average as well. Don't worry about this. Click on apply. No, just once complete the curly bracket. Click on apply. Click on apply. Now, just drag into the row. Now, right click. Right click. Very going with the average customer. Right click on the average customer. Right click. Click on that.
I clicked.
Choose right. Choose average function.
Yeah, I chose average.
Now click on T. It'll get numbers right. Now the same. Now the same it will be showing or not. Central for the 796.9, right? It's showing the
Yes.
same. Yes, it's showing the same.
Mm-hmm.
Again, go for the highest to the lowest. Click on that. For the clicking on sort filter. Now for central region, 796.9 is showing correct. Go for the next sheet. We need to verify, right? Go for the next sheet. Again, remove the region. Again, drag the region into the row. Again, add the customer name as well. No, that's remains keep same.
Yeah.
Yeah, customer name as well. Now, sales into text. Now it's very important, this step is very important. Normally, uh, we forgot this step. Go for the analysis. So what getting an options one by one?
Show mark label, aggregate measures, take marks, view data, explain data, review hidden data, percentage of totals, forecast,
Go
trend
for
lines,
totals
special.
option. Go for totals option. After going on total option, right? Then go to the all subtotals. Then go for the another. After going to the totals, right? Add all subtotals. Then again go for the totals. Then totals all using is the last option.
Sorry?
Totals all using option is there, right?
On
Go
another,
totals all use. Go for the analysis. Totals. There is a last option is there for total, right? Totals all using.
okay,
And you can choose average.
okay,
Go for the analysis. Go for the total option. After clicking on total, right?
mhm.
Last option is that totals all using. Now we'll get an option automatic sum average. Click on average. This step is very important. Track,
Okay, yes.
track, track the sales. We will check that they're correctly showing or not.
Sorry?
Track the sales. No. Don't drag it like that. Numbers we want. You want to verify that numbers it's showing correct or not.
Here.
Yeah, just drag the sales. No,
Okay.
just wait, just wait. Now it's showing 797, right? Again, now go for the sum of sales. Remain same. Right click. Go for the numbers and mention one decimal. Okay.
Okay, format.
Numbers. Custom. One decimal. One decimal. Now remove this perfect is it. Don't worry. Now remove this format. Remove the format of sum of sales. Remove that.
I removed. Oh,
Okay.
okay. Sorry.
Now what is the sales for the central region? 796.9.
796.9.
It's showcasing the same or not? Can you please check again on the chart? It's showcasing perfect,
Yeah,
right?
it's the same. Yes.
Now we can understand, right, how to find average customers for the
Yes.
per region. It's
Yeah, it's
difficult,
okay.
but make on practice and calculation is worst part in the Tableau. Charts is very easy. If you go with the charts, if you go with the concepts, is really easy. But calculation, because of formulas, we need to remember. Because of formulas, right? We need to understand that because formulas are most case sensitive. If you haven't worked on that, then definitely there is high chances to mistakes on that. Now, anybody have any questions in that?
No.
No. Okay, that's it.
Okay. Understand.
So, Lucian, you understand, right?
Yeah,
Now,
understand.
now what we're done with that LOD's calculation. In that LOD's calculation, we done fixed LOD. Again, now we're done with include LOD. So I'm giving real based scenarios how to work on that. So this scenario is very important. You after this, done with the workshop, you know, maybe morning itself, maybe after before the lunch time or after the lunch time, at least go for the half an hour or come or after the complete your work, right? At least try to work on 20 minutes at least because calculation is really vast syllabus in the Tableau. Now
Okay,
if we
sir.
ask that what are the string functions, anybody can tell me? Anybody remember that what kind of string functions we learn that? We learn upper, lower,
Replace.
again
Uh,
starts with, ends with, again replace. Now the same thing if I ask what kind of number functions we learn that? We learn floor, we learn again what we learn, tell me?
ceiling, floor,
Sailing round. Okay.
Rounds.
Round.
Okay. Now we are going to the next. What we are learn, in a include LOD. Again, what we are learning in a fixed LOD, tell me. What kind of scenarios we are covered in a fixed LOD? In a fixed LOD, what kind of scenarios we are covered? In a fixed LOD, we are covered with the help of we
Latest
can fix.
patches.
Yeah, the fixed LOD, what kind of we are covered, I will tell you. In the fixed LOD, we can fix the categories or subcategories, we can fix the segment. So usually in the in the fixing, right? Normally what happen if you drag the category by sales, it will be showing the values category by sales. Again, dragging the category, subcategory, segment. Now again clicking on sales, it will focusing on segment by sales. Now, if you want by category by sales, you can fix the category. The name itself, it showcasing that we can fix which category we want and we can compare with the sum of sales or sum of profit. Now, in that again, fix customer name, right? Fix customer name. What we want? Maximum order date, right? What if minimum order date? What we required? Just simple that, fixing customer name in that in terms of maximum, right? You just write minimum. Okay, I will share my screen. Just 1 second. If you go here, right? Suppose this latest purchase date is there, right? This latest purchase date, edit. What if it's maximum, right? It is I mentioned minimum. Then what happened? Tell me. It's showcasing first
The
purchase
first order
date.
date. Yeah, first purchase.
First purchase date, first order date. If you see, it showcasing because of function. And if you write minimum, right, it's showcasing first purchase date. Its first purchase date is 2014. Again, go to here for the Vivek first purchase date on 7 January 2014. Here we can look into the function and we can, according to the function, where we can go with that function, either maximum or minimum or average or sales or count distant. We can choose it. So it's very important to work on calculations. Why I'm telling every time? Because calculation is really tough part. After 5 days, then I will ask you calculation. 100% nobody's remember what we are learning the calculation. Am I right?
I think you are.
Okay, okay. Anyway,
You're
so
right.
that's why I'm asking every time the questions, each and every question, because you should remember. I'm doing the training and again I'm doing practicing as well. I'm doing a both where you can perfect, learning things where work on very confident with that, you done with the every if you done perfectly each and everything with detail, then you can work with confidence. So let's wind up the meeting. And still, you have any difficulties, any doubts you're facing, you can reach out to us to me or you can ask right now as well.
Sure.
Okay. So I think there is no doubts. So we can wind up the meeting. Enjoy your lunch. Sorry, enjoy your dinner.